Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the audio message not working issue on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Messages. Tap on it and you'll see the iMessage toggle. Turn it off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This will reactivate iMessage, which is required for audio messages to work. Keep in mind that audio messages only work with iMessage. They won't function if you're texting an Android user. Sometimes sound recognition can interfere with audio messages. To check this, go back to Settings, tap on Accessibility, and scroll down to Sound Recognition. If it's enabled, toggle it off. This feature listens for specific sounds, which can sometimes conflict with audio messaging. Finally, one of the simplest fixes is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button, then swipe to shut down. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, General, Shut Down. After your phone powers off, turn it back on. This clears temporary bugs and can resolve issues you didn't even know were there. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.